Leadership in agriculture is essential not only for our commodity groups, but also our province and our country. Learn to Lead has been an excellent opportunity to expand on those skills for me, to then be able to continue that throughout any capacity that I can in our industry for the future.
The energy at Learn to Lead was incredible. Walking into a room with people you've never met before can be a little bit intimidating, but it was amazing. Everybody was super friendly, and we're all headed in the same direction.
It's a bunch of strangers at the start, and yeah, the more we get to do the workshops with each other, and we're at a different position at each table each time, so you get to know everybody in a different ways.
Very interactive too, so it makes you talk and break out of that shell as well.
I feel overall this has prepared me to take on any part of the business that I feel I want to.
Something that stuck with me with this conference so far is the different personality types within conflict resolution. How different people view different scenarios going forward, and hopefully can resolve potential issues quicker and accomplish goals that much easier.
The networking has been my favorite part of the experience. We're walking away with some really great skills, but being able to interact with leaders in the industry now is invaluable.
Honing in on these skills and leadership skills are going to be really important for our success in the future, and just keeping those communication doors open. We are getting to be a larger farm as well, so hiring our employees and creating a team atmosphere, that's also been very important to us. So this gives us those leadership skills on how to attract those people to have that team environment at our farm.
I am more confident than ever that we have really strong emerging leaders coming in our agriculture for tomorrow, not only in Saskatchewan, but countrywide. And I cannot be more than happy to be a part of that movement.
This conference really helped reinforce how important it is for producers to be involved in leadership and advocacy on behalf of our industry and using our voice in a positive way.
You absolutely should come to Learn to Lead. You will learn not only about the industry and about governance and communication, you will learn things about yourself that you will implement in your day-to-day life, not only in your business.